Today I will show the world insane hacking gadgets. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, a tech hobbyist, or just curious, these tools are sure to impress. Let's get started. First up, we have the infamous USB Rubber Ducky. This seemingly innocent USB stick can execute powerful scripts when plugged into a computer. It's used for testing how vulnerable systems are to USB-based attacks. Just insert it and in seconds run a payload to collect passwords, install malware, or even open backdoors. Next we have the Wi-Fi Pineapple. This device is a must-have for any penetration tester. It can spoof Wi-Fi networks, perform man-in-the-middle attacks, and gather data from unsuspecting devices. Perfect for testing network security and ensuring your systems are safe from intruders. Our third gadget is the Keylogger. This tiny device can be attached to a keyboard and records every keystroke made. It's a powerful tool for security audits and monitoring, but remember, ethical use only. Make sure you have permission before using it. Up next, the Hacker F1. This software-defined radio can capture and transmit a wide range of frequencies. It's used for analyzing signals, testing wireless systems, and even experimenting with things like drone control and satellite communications. The possibilities are endless. Last but not least, we have the Raspberry Pi running Kali Linux. This tiny, affordable computer is a powerhouse for ethical hackers. Loaded with Kali Linux, it comes with hundreds of pre-installed tools for penetration testing, forensics, and reverse engineering. Plus, it's portable, so you can take it on the go. There's 5 incredible hacking gadgets that can take your cybersecurity skills to the next level. Remember, use these tools ethically. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching.